Before starting my speech, let's think about the earlier part of our human civilization, that how we got developed by doing awesome works, creating cool stuffs and doing innovation. And now we are living in the 21st century, which is all about modern science and web. So talking about web, the first thing knocked to our mind is browser. And a very important part of a browser is a cookie. So hello everyone, I'm Salman, and today I'm going to talk about cookie and details. And from my session, you're going to get information about what is cookie, how cookie works, and type of cookies, and privacy issue regarding cookies. So cookie does have several names, like you can call it as browser cookie or internet cookie or only cookie. Cookie will never mind about that. So as cookie is very much using in every web server and browser, though cookie was invented back in the 90s. So what exactly cookie is? Cookie is a value data, which was sent by a particular website to a particular user's browser when the user browsed that website. So cookie is a very simple value data. So how cookie works? So whenever a user browses a website, they give some information to that website, like the username of that user, or maybe the language that user prefer to read the content of that website, or maybe that user just added some item in his online shopping cart. So all this data sent by that particular website to that user's browser, and also recall it or call it back when it needs. Make sure that that particular website won't be able to recall or receive the other cookies of your machine or from your computer. So based on cookies, time expiration and there are several types of cookies. So I'll talk only 5 from them, though I found pretty much important to me. So from my list, number 1 is authentication cookie, which is all about whether the user is logged in or not. So if the user is not logged in that case the web server will send a particular page called as 404 page, which is very common to us. And this page generally does provide to the unauthorized user just because to avoid sharing the sensitive information. So number 2 is session cookie, which doesn't have an expiration time, and it's a temporary cookie. So whenever the user turn off his or her browsers, this cookie automatically get deleted. And just opposite of session cookie, there is another cookie called persistent cookie. And persistent cookie does have an expiration time, which is given by the creator of that web server. So even if the user turn off his browser, this session cookie won't be deleted. Moreover, this session cookie will be reactivated or updated whenever the user again browses that particular website. So number 4 is secure cookie. Secure cookie is just like any other cookie, but it does have a particular property. Like secure cookie only transmits data to a secure connection. As Diva said in her encryption session, he mentioned one name like Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTPS. So secure cookie does transmit data through HTTPS. It doesn't transmit any data to HTTP. So the 5th one and the last one from my list is third-party cookie. Third-party cookie appears in a website when the website features some content from the external website, like the advertisement banner. So talking about the privacy. As I said, that cookie is a very simple value data, but it may have some valuable data of yours, like the username, your password, or maybe your credit card number or account number. So whenever your persistent cookie, as I said, that persistent cookie won't be deleted even if you turn off your browser. So if your persistent cookie got attacked, in that case, your valuable information might be misused. Also, the activities beside the third-party cookie does track your browsing history, which is also a privacy issue. So in the end, I just want to say that cookie is a very important part for a browser, and also to have a very better browsing experience. But we may have to consider out what cookie we are dealing with and have to be more educated about cookie privacy. So thank you everyone. I'm Salman signing off.